Alrighty, so just really quick, I'm going to show y'all how to take a class that you've archived and recover it so you can get any old posts or anything that you need off of it. So if you come right here to the main menu and click down here to archive classes, you can click on these, and if you click see assignments, that'll show assignments for posts that you've made and videos and that kind of thing. That won't show up if you just click see assignments. So you have to click right here. And if you click restore, that will restore it. So if you click restore, that'll restore it, and I'll be able to see the classes over here, and I can see any old posts that I've made on there. Hope this helps.